traders. Okay, we're gonna do a recap. We're gonna do a recap, guys. I did analysis, I think it was on Monday or Sunday, and I said I was gonna come back for us to see. Okay, so this market is bullish. Okay, this is gold. The market is bullish, and I can see that the market wants to make a retracement. I don't know to which level, but let me see if I put my Fibonacci retracement to from here to here. So this is the 50%. Okay, and I do have a setup there. Okay, so now that the market is going down, I want to see if we can get a correctional move towards this level. Okay, I also have this level, but I'm more concerned about this level here. Okay, so let's go H1 and see what the market is giving us. Okay, so currently we have breakout structures to the upside. This is a correctional move, guys. Breakout structure. And guys, I'm using this breakout structures here because I could also use these, because I know a beginner would want to know, why are you starting from that breakout structure? You know, it's just time consuming. We can all see that these are breakout structures to the upside. Okay, so yeah, breakout structure to the upside. Okay, so this is our last breakout structure, and this level here would be our protected low. Why? Because inducement was taken out here. Okay, before we had this breakout structure, inducement was taken out, so that makes this low that broke structure to be a strong low. Okay, so if price closes below this low, we'll have a change of character. Okay, and we do have a change of character. We do have a change of character because this is a body close below the previous protected low. Okay, so that being said, we then see if the market came to the level that broke structure. Price did not come to the order block. However, price came to the fair value gap, which is this. Okay, so price acted from the fair value gap and is pushing below, and then this would have been our minor inducement, because it happened before there was a change of character. Okay, so let's go to 30 minutes. Okay, okay, we also have breakout structures towards this level, and this was our last breakout structure to the upside. Okay, we also have this breakout structure here to the upside, which is actually a correctional move on the smaller time frame. Okay, so we changed character here. What is this now? We had a change of character here. Okay, pushing the market to the downside. Okay, and this order block here, the market came and tapped into it, and it is that order block that actually pushed price down. Order block, I'm sorry. Okay, so we have another break of structure to the downside, which is this break of structure to the downside. Okay, we have this break of structure, and this is the level. This is the level that broke structure. Let me go to M15. So okay, this is our week low. Yeah. We have this level now as our liquidity. Our clean fair value gap is here. Okay. And I'd want to set up a sell to this level, okay, to the level where price is currently at, which is a 1:3.69. Okay, probably to this level. But remember, this is the correctional move. Our actual setup that we made was this level and this level. However, I'm more concerned on this level because this level is on a 50% retracement. Okay, so this is just a correctional move, this level here. So we're gonna wait and see what happens. And then I remember we also did GBP USD. We also did GBP USD, and okay, it has triggered. So I actually had two levels on GBP USD. I had this level, which was my point of interest, and I have this level here. Okay, so I'm waiting to see which the market respects, whether it's this level or this level, but this level has triggered and this hasn't. Okay, so here we just set up traps and wait for the market to perform. So until the market reaches our entry level, we are just gonna wait patiently to see what happens. Okay, let me go to H1 so that you guys see what I'm talking about. This is the level, okay, and also this level did take a reducement here because there was or liquidity, yeah. So this is the level that I currently have, which the market tapped in with a sniper entry, but it hasn't gone into our direction yet. Okay, and then we also have this level. So if this level holds and pushes price further high, this level won't be valid. Okay, and did we do DXY? I'm not sure. so this was a setup on DXY, this level here, and it hasn't triggered yet. We also did, the reason I'm not choosing this gold is because this gold I use, that analysis I used for the 330 strategy. So oh, we just did gold. No, we did USD. Oh, okay, this was the trade on USD CAD. So with this being the setup, I think it tapped in, so we're just going to see whether it gives us a full TP or SL. Okay, so all our continuances were met, but I allowed my stop loss to cover this level because we also have an order block here and we have an order block here, you understand, and all these order blocks have a fair value gap, like a massive fair value gap. So that's why I made my stop loss to be a bit wide, which is 41.2 pips. Okay, and this is a 1:2.85, which I think, since the market did go further, our TP would have to be at this level. So we can adjust the TP from the current TP, which is 37.322. Okay, so that is the recap. I'm still going to do another teaching video after this. This is just a recap, so thanks for tuning in, guys. Your support means a lot.